So here we are, unboxed. At least unboxed out of the box that it came in. I still gotta unpackage the actual product. But it looks sweet. I mean, I've seen some other unboxing videos on YouTube, and the Phantom 4 Obsidian is great. It's a lot, to me, I like the color a lot better than the white. I mean, for you guys, I mean, everybody's gonna have a different preference and all, but I just had to exchange it to get the black model. Now, just like previous models, it opens the same. The Phantom 3 series, however, did not come with its own case like this. So this is a pretty good treat. It's a styrofoam case. It's not your most durable case, but it will, I mean, for travel, for light travel, things like that. I used to have a big hard case for my Phantom 3, and that was just too big of a case. I might look at getting a backpack or something like that. Some people have trouble opening this, which the first thing you need to realize is there's a lock. You got to pull that out. You actually got to turn it. So you're actually turning it clockwise. And that looks beautiful. Here she is up close. This is a beauty. This thing looks better in person. I mean, I've seen videos, I've seen pictures online, but this in person is, wow. I mean, this is gonna be just like any other unboxing video. I mean, it's pretty much the same as, you know, any other boxing video you've seen online. I mean, basically, if you've seen one unboxing video, you've almost seen them all. The reason I wanted to do this video today is because a lot of guys do not have the Obsidian edition. There are a few unboxing videos out there of the Obsidian, but there's not a bunch like there is the other drones, or other, I should say, quadcopters. Drones is, if you say drone, that's more of an amateur way of saying it. The official name's a quadcopter. But wow, yeah, I mean, this is awesome, guys. I really recommend getting the black. I actually had to wait a few days because this wasn't in stock. I had to order it at my local Best Buy. I mean, the camera, everything on this thing. It's like the camera is painted a different color. The whole thing just looks awesome. And remember, it's still the exact same specifications as the white Phantom 4 Pro. The only difference is the color. Now, if you want to go with the Pro Plus, that will come with its own monitor. I decided against that due to various reasons. If you're using an LTE device, like a cell phone or iPad or something like that, you can get full GPS, full LTE connectivity with the Phantom 4 Pro Edition or Pro Plus Edition. It's only one size monitor, does not have GPS, or it might have GPS, it doesn't have the LTE connectivity, or, you know, it does have Wi-Fi, and you got to remember, it's also $300 more if you decide to purchase the Pro Plus Edition. So, yeah, so this is it. We'll go out and fly this after we put it all together, and of course, the most important thing to do is firmware updates, things like that. The other thing I'd like to add is that the propellers come in a bag, a plastic, you know, disposable bag. The previous model quadcopters from DJI Phantom 3 series, and I believe even the Phantom 4, and I think the very beginning stages of the Phantom 4 Pro, when they first came out, I believe they all came with the microfiber bag, and that was a cool addition. But so if you get this throwaway disposable bag, just remember that you didn't get gypped out of anything. They just stopped manufacturing them for whatever reason. So I just, you know, figured you guys should know that. So what else do we have in the box besides the drone and the remote controller? Well, we got obviously the propellers that I just explained about the, you know, it's in the bag, not the microfiber bag. We also got paperwork here. Paperwork, you know, this is important paperwork, flight information, things of that things of that nature. And here, this case can actually hold 2 batteries, so that's kind of nice. If you want to purchase an extra battery at some point, which I recommend. I got 2 batteries, but the battery I did purchase has actually the white battery because it was from the other drone. So it's gonna look funny having a white battery in that black copter, but hey, I don't know, maybe we'll figure something out, paint it or something. You got your connectivity cords. This is to connect to the drone for data, for firmware upgrades, things like that. And then you got your charger. Your charger is going to be black.